videos of Ken and Pablo basketball bonding. Yes, okay lang po ang paa ni Ken and okay na okay dahil he is enjoying this basketball game and bonding time with Pablo and friends. Here are more videos shared by Ken himself from the game.